The Bureau of Immigration or BI confirmed that there are more than 11,000 foreigners remaining in the Philippines. Those foreigners are wanted due to their illegal stay in the country after working in Pogo hubs. According to immigration spokesperson Dana Sandoval, the BI already caught more than 500 individuals and almost 200 people have been deported to their country of origin. The said individuals have now been blacklisted.
Once lumabas na po yung deportation order nila, chinarge sila na napatunayan na sila ay illegal alien, so lalabas po ang deportation order nila. Ang requirements lang po for deportation is just their travel document. We have coordinated with the embassies para matulungan po tayo na ma-expedite yung issuance ng mga travel documents namin for foreign nationals with no travel documents.